The House of Representatives don't call the Federal Ministry of Health, the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency (NPHCDA) and the National Center for Disease Control (NCDC) say make them increase diphtheria vaccination and awareness campaign for schools across the country to avoid future outbreak. Dem also ask the Federal Ministry of Education say make them sharply check the health system for the Unity College and create better way to handle infectious disease outbreak for schools. The resolution followed the adoption of one motion for urgent national issue about the diphtheria outbreak for King's College, Lagos State, wey Honorable Akim Rotimi sponsor for Wednesday plenary. The House also don't tell NCDC say make them create one proper disease surveillance system for all the federal unity colleges to fit detect diseases early and respond quick. The House also praise the Lagos State government, NCDC and other health authorities for how them handle the outbreak, but come also here and say federal and state agencies need to work better together to protect the health of the students.
The House also notes that from week 19 of 2022 to week 4 of 2025, there were 24,804 confirmed cases of diphtheria across 25 states in Nigeria, according to data from the NCDC. Also concerned that the unfortunate incident exposes significant lapses in infection prevention and control measures in federal unity colleges and underscores the Federal Ministry of Education's responsibility to ensure the health and safety of students in its institutions.
For another matter, the House don't tell their committee where they check pipelines and depots, especially for Ore Ondo State, say make them make sure say them work well. This one follow the motion where Honorable Festus Ayodele will represent Ile Oluji, Okigbo Federal Constituency raise. The lawmaker talk say,
the House are aware that the pipeline supplying or evacuating products to the depot were either vandalized or obsolete for years without repair, thereby disrupting supply, increased cost of petroleum products, and undue hardship for Nigerians. Also aware that the functionality of the Ore depot will reduce unnecessary road accidents, wear and tears of vehicles, reduce the cost of fuel, diesel consumption, and operational hazards.
To conclude the plenary session, the Speaker of the House, Abbas Tanjudi, come talk say them go focus on the tax reform bills for Thursday plenary and say make all the lawmakers show face for plenary.
The whole day tomorrow on the 4 tax bills, that will be the only business of tomorrow. So we are inviting every member, particularly those from Lagos and even those in Lagos, from the rural constituency of Ikorodu, to be in attendance, please.
Make una not forget say, as we see them, now so we dey talk 'em. We not to take blame. Ekata Ojesela reporting for TMC TV.